Hi, welcome to the Sugatuni Workshop. Today we will be working with our EB series folding shelf brackets, which have a variety of load capacities. Today we will be installing the EB-303/EP, which has a load capacity of 600 to 60 pounds per pair. We actually have one installed that I can demonstrate on. Let's get to work. Let's get to know our shelf brackets. So the EB-303/EP has 3 screw holes for the top panel. It has 3 screw holes for the back substrate. Your release lever is located in the front. Do note that the EB-303 brackets are stainless steel, so they are suitable for outdoor application. For this application, we will need our EB brackets, our panel for our shelf, a leveling guide, a power drill with an extender, and our fasteners. The shelf brackets must be installed onto a strong and steady substrate. In this case, we're going to install them onto our wall studs. Now that we have located the wall studs and selected our height, we're going to go ahead and begin installation. It is important to have an extender so you can actually reach the drill holes. Now that the first bracket is installed, we got to make sure the second one is also aligned to level. Now that we have both shelf brackets installed, it's time to actually install our shelf on top. Now that we have our shelf finished and installed, we're going to go ahead and give it a try. Now that we finished installing the EB bracket, you may want to consider the EBD damper, which works with all 3 models of the EB bracket series family. But that's for another day. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, or even leave us a comment. Until then, stay tuned for more Sugatuni Workshop videos.